Hi and welcome to this video where we turn questions into solutions. Today's burning question: how do I create a second source of income? If you've ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit or just need some extra cash flow, you're in the right place. Stay tuned and watch until the end, because in the next few minutes I'll be revealing some practical game-changing advice and tips to help you change your income. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, because that tells me you like the content, and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's get started. Let's get started with tip number 1. Assess your skills and your passion. First things first, take stock of your skills and your passions. What are you good at? What do you love doing? By aligning your second income stream with your strengths and your interests, you're more likely to stay committed and enjoy the journey. I suggest you do some self-reflection. Begin by reflecting on your skills and your experiences. What have you excelled at in your career or your personal life? Consider both hard skills like technical abilities and soft skills such as communication or problem solving. I suggest to list down your achievements and the tasks that energize you. This self-reflection will help you identify patterns and recognize where your true strengths lie. You need to identify a market demand. While following your passion is crucial, it's also essential to assess market demand. What skills are in demand? What services or products are people actively seeking? This intersection between your passions and market demand is the sweet spot. It ensures that what you offer is not only fulfilling you, but also valuable to others. Tip number 2, explore freelancing opportunities. Freelancing is an excellent way to leverage your skills and your time. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer offer a platform to connect with clients globally. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, a programmer, or even a virtual assistant, freelancing can be a lucrative avenue for your skills. I recommend to identify your niche. The first step in freelancing is to identify your niche. What are you exceptionally good at? Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance, finding your niche allows you to stand out in a crowded marketplace. I recommend to consider your passions and strengths like we discussed earlier. Your niche is your specialization, the unique blend of skills and expertise that sets you apart from the rest. I suggest to build a strong portfolio. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to showcase your talents. Building a strong portfolio is your virtual calling card. Include examples of your best work, testimonials if available, and any relevant experience. My advice is to make sure that your portfolio is not only visually appealing, but also highlights the value that you can bring to potential clients. This is your opportunity to make a lasting impression. I suggest to create an irresistible profile. Strategizing your profile on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork is like your online storefront. I suggest to craft a compelling bio that reflects your skills, your experience, and some of your personality. I suggest to use keywords that are related to your niche to enhance discoverability. I would also suggest to optimize your profile. You can include any certifications or relevant qualifications that you may have. The more complete and professional your profile, the more likely you are to attract high-quality clients. Tip number 3, invest in your education. Consider investing in yourself through some education. Acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones can open doors to various income streams. Online courses, workshops, and certifications are more accessible than ever, so I suggest to seize the opportunity to expand on your knowledge. You will need to identify skill gaps. Start by identifying skill gaps in your current repertoire. What are the in-demand skills in your industry or areas related to your interests? Recognizing these gaps is the first step towards targeted and strategic learning. Be honest with yourself about where you can improve, whether it's technical skills, soft skills, or industry-specific knowledge. Pinpointing your areas for growth is crucial. I suggest to explore online learning platforms. In this digital age, online learning platforms are a goldmine of knowledge. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a plethora of courses ranging from technical skills to business management and beyond. I would recommend to research and read reviews to choose courses that most align with your goals. Look for those taught by industry experts with practical hands-on components to enhance your learning experience. Number 4, real estate ventures. Real estate is a tried and true method for generating passive income. You can explore options like rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, or becoming a property manager. It may require some initial investment, but the long-term returns can be significant. Tip number 5. Create an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform. Sharing your expertise can attract opportunities for sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and much more. I recommend to choose your platform wisely. Be strategic. First, choose the right platform for your content, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media. Each has its strengths. Blogs are great for in-depth content, YouTube for visual and engaging material, and social media for quick, shareable snippets. I recommend to consider your target audience and where they are most active online. Your choice of platform should align with your content style and your audience's preferred medium. I recommend to define your niche. I would highly suggest to define your niche clearly. What sets you apart? What expertise or passions do you bring to the table? Whether it's tech reviews, lifestyle tips, or expert insights in your field. A defined niche helps you stand out in a crowded online space. You will need to aim for consistency. Be consistent in delivering content within your niche. This builds a loyal audience and positions you as an authority in your chosen domain. I would highly suggest to build a professional brand. Treat your online presence as a brand. Have a consistent visual identity, a memorable logo, and a cohesive messaging. A professional brand not only attracts a broader audience but also enhances your credibility. I would recommend to create a sound media kit. Consider creating a media kit that highlights your audience demographics, engagement rates, and collaboration history. This becomes a valuable tool when reaching out to potential sponsors or partners. Tip number 6. Side hustles and the gig economy. Embrace the gig economy. From driving for rideshare services to delivering groceries, there are numerous side hustles that can help you supplement your income. These flexible options allow you to earn money on your own terms. I suggest to explore various platforms. The gig economy boasts a myriad of platforms catering to different skills and interests. Beyond ride sharing and food delivery, you can explore platforms like TaskRabbit for odd jobs, Upwork.com for freelancing gigs, and Etsy.com for selling handmade goods. I would suggest to aim for some diversity. Diversify your side hustles by exploring multiple platforms. This not only helps you broaden your income streams, but also allows you to discover which avenues align best with your skills and your preferences. You will need to identify your skills and your interests. Identify your skills and interests before diving into the gig economy. Are you good at assembling furniture, running errands, or creating digital content? Choosing side hustles aligned with your abilities to enhance your efficiency and job satisfaction. I would like to recommend you consider turning hobbies or passions into some kind of side hustle. If you love crafting, selling handmade items on platforms like Etsy, you could not only be financially rewarding but also personally fulfilling. Stay informed about market trends. The gig economy is constantly evolving. I suggest to stay informed about the market trends, emerging platforms, and changes in demand for certain services. Being proactive allows you to adapt your side hustles to meet current market needs. I recommend to start networking. Network with others in the gig economy. Attend meetups, join online forums, and exchange insights with fellow gig workers. This not only enhances your knowledge but also can lead to valuable collaborations and more opportunities for you down the line. Tip number 7. Network and collaboration. Networking is a powerful tool. Collaborate with others who share similar interests or skills. Partnerships can lead to joint ventures, shared projects, and ultimately additional sources of income. I recommend that you don't have a set agenda. Remember, networking is about developing professional relationships, so don't try to close a deal. You're not there to do business or job search, you're there to meet valuable contacts. Your only agenda should be a set number of people to talk to, and your objective is to get their business cards and potentially do business with them in the future. So I recommend to avoid any sales pitches or business propositions. Tip number 8. Time management and prioritization. Efficient time management is the key to balancing multiple income streams. I suggest to prioritise tasks, set realistic goals and create a schedule that allows you to dedicate time to each venture without feeling overwhelmed. I would recommend to do the most important jobs first. People often like to get the most unpleasant task ticked off the list first, just to get it done. Others like to get quick and easy tasks done first, just to feel like they're achieving things. But it's far better to prioritise in order of importance regardless of whether it's hard or not. I suggest to ruthlessly prioritise your time. I like to use the ABC method to plan my day and prioritise tasks in order of importance. And a task is my most important task, a must-do item for the day. Or if there's more than one item or task, I label them A1, A2 and so on. B tasks are secondary tasks that are less important than the A tasks. You never move on to a B task while there are still A tasks on your list. And C tasks are those that are nice to get done, but it's not a big deal if they don't happen that day. I start every morning with this method, or you could do it at the end of each day, ready for the next day. Tip number 9, stay persistent and adapt. Building a second source of income takes time and dedication. Stay persistent, be adaptable and don't be afraid to reassess and adjust your strategies along the way. Remember, success and results often comes to those who persevere. Thank you for watching and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link in the description under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, the skills and the knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. They provide continuously updated content, which means you'll get cutting-edge digital marketing skills that deliver results. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.